Hey YouTube, so today is Revolver by the Beatles' 50th birthday, so I figured I might as well take the time to do a quick video on the album that I own, which is the Beatles and Mono Revolver reissue that came out a couple years ago. Let's take it out of the sleeve here. If you haven't heard the remastered Beatles vinyl, they did a heck of a job on these. I haven't heard the stereo versions. I've been trying to get, if I buy a reissue, I try to get it in its native format. So for instance, this was recorded in mono, so I thought it would probably be best presented in mono. But I thought if you read on the little label here, I thought they did a great job on mastering this and replicating the original pressing. I mean, they made it look just like the original album. As much as I wanted to get the box set of the Beatles and Mono, I've just purchased the ones that I like individually. Which pretty much was from Rubber Soul until Let It Be. This is the little card, the little booklet that came with it. I missed that when I was in Vegas when I got married. So next time we go, I'm definitely, if they still have it there, I'm definitely going to check it out. I've heard it's really good. So for an album that came out 20 years before I was born, I know I can't probably appreciate it quite like the people who were alive when it was released and got to experience it firsthand, but it still holds up very well. This is a fantastic album. I'm just glad that vinyl made a comeback, and that a lot of classic artists took the time, and the labels took the time to reissue these, because I really appreciate that a lot of again, labels went through and re-released a lot of these albums, and to try to make them kind of true to their original form. As much as I like 45 RPM, and as much as I like deluxe packaging, sometimes it's nice to be able to just put on a record and listen to it. Not the 45 RPM can get a little I don't know the word I'm looking for. You just have to get up, every couple of minutes to flip it, because those things are moving so fast that they go through each side really fast. So sometimes I just prefer the old school, just long play record, two sides, put on an album, listen to, 20 to 30 minutes of music per side. And then again, the simple packaging, it's simple, but it's true to its original form. I like that. I like that. I mean, if you buy Sgt. Pepper, the Sgt. Pepper has all the original inserts and the little pop outs that they had. I think Magic Mystery Tour has the booklet, everything exactly how it came in before. The White Album has the pictures and the poster, and so it's just a great job. These are still out there pretty regularly, so I recommend, if you're into the Beatles, or even if you're not in the Beatles, at some point you probably will check them out. So this is a great place to start. Again, if you're unable to get like an original pressing, which is always great if you can, this is a great release. And yeah, I just figured, again, for the 50th birthday Revolver, just wanted to show it off. And thanks for watching. Happy birthday, Revolver.